Installing an aftermarket stereo just got easier with the Scosche wiring harness. Designed to connect directly to your factory stereo harness, this adapter eliminates the need to cut any wires, preserving your vehicle's original wiring integrity. It's a perfect fit for anyone upgrading their sound system without the headache of complicated splicing or guesswork. Keep in mind, this harness is not compatible with factory amplified systems. However, for standard setups, it offers a seamless connection that saves time and effort. The harness uses factory-quality wire and connectors, ensuring a durable and reliable installation every time you plug it in. One standout feature is the EIA industry standard color-coded wires. This clear coding makes it simple to identify each wire's function, which means fewer mistakes and faster installation. Even if you're not a professional, the color codes guide you through the process with confidence. Scosche brings over 40 years of experience crafting high-quality car stereo accessories. Their commitment to quality shows in every detail, from the copper gauge wires to the sturdy connectors. When you choose Scosche, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in reliability backed by a limited lifetime warranty. What truly sets Scosche apart is their lifetime tech support. Their knowledgeable team is ready to answer your questions whenever you need help, for as long as you own the product. This level of ongoing support gives you peace of mind during installation and beyond. Customers rave about how much easier the Scosche wiring harness makes aftermarket stereo installation. One user praised the clear wiring guide and high-quality copper wires, noting the helpful customer service phone line. While some wished for included wiring nuts, the harness itself meets the needs of most installations smoothly. If you're ready to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle, this wiring harness is worth a look. It simplifies the process, protects your vehicle's wiring, and comes with support you can trust. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional installer, Scosche helps you get the job done right. Take the guesswork out of your next car stereo upgrade. Try the Scosche wiring harness when you're ready to enjoy a cleaner, faster, and more reliable installation experience. Your sound system deserves the best connection, and Scosche delivers.